BigSLICK here today with a short repair video of a Canon Powershot A70 old digital camera. If you're getting an error message that says change battery pack, or on similar models it may say replace battery pack, and you have tried new AA batteries inside and you're sure that that's not the problem. The problem then is you need to replace the battery, the backup battery. It's a button cell battery located underneath this digital AV out flap here. If you pop this up, you will see right on top, right there where my finger's pointing, it says CR1220, and there's a button cell battery. Just get a little flat edge screwdriver or some type of little pick and just pry this gently out and pull this battery up. Okay, once you get the battery out, it's just a matter of putting a new one in. You can find these very cheap on eBay. I found a 5-pack here for $1, including free shipping. So that'll solve your problem. Just replace the battery, pop it back in, put a new set of AA's in, and you'll be back to business. Thanks a lot. Bye.